Code.
Good day everyone. So for today's discussion, we will discuss here the web design and development. So in this topic, we will determine the phases of website development. We will also identify the people behind the website. Third one, we will recognize the role in creating the website, and we will analyze the skills needed in every role. So let's start. Web development, like software engineering, has to undergo stages of design and development to get the best results. Lengthen website lifespan with the ability to adapt with new features and expansion be cost effective. Illustration of the web development cycle or the web development life cycle goes into 5 stages. We have the planning, analysis, design and development, testing and implementation, and maintenance. So let's have it one by one. Let's start first with the planning. Planning includes determining the goals of the website. It has the following consideration. First one is the purpose, such as interest-based, hobbies, personal, commerce, information, and announcement. Second one is for the users, your target audience with demographical information. Also the computing environments. Fourth one is the owner and author of the information. And last one, decision maker of the information assignment. The next one is the analysis. Analysis stage is a very crucial part of the life cycle. It considers, evaluates, and decides on the content and functionality of the website. When analyzing, here are the following considerations. First one is the performance test of the users. Second one, the useful information to the users. And last one, process considerations such as supporting web features. And example given is the online ordering. Next one is the design and development. Design and development is actually divided into 2 types, the physical and logical. In the physical design and development, the concern is the appearance and the information contents of the website, while logical design and development refers to the organization and structure of the website. Next one is the testing. Testing should be done at different stages of design and development of the website. This includes the following consideration. First one is the page content, its functionality, accuracy of the process generating the desired result, working properly, and also the usability, the completeness of the information, and its user-friendly navigation. And the last stage is the implementation and the maintenance. Under implementation means publication of the website product to a web server to make it online and available over the internet. While maintenance refers to the capability of the website to have updates, whether information or functionality, user request changes, and readiness for future expansions without sacrificing the integrity and consistency of the websites. What are the considerations when we say implementation and maintenance? We have the manner of website publication, manner of website updating, content management, structure management, the notification management, and the website monitoring. So that's the 5 stages of the web development, or also called the web development life cycle. Now, depending on circumstances, creating a website requires individual work with a partner or with a web development team. In a partner or group situation, each participant's strength should be identified so that appropriate role can be assigned. Working independently on in small company or organization situation may need to assume several or all of the following roles. The role depicts the responsibilities, not the specific position title that might be assigned. We have here the following web development team. First one is the writer or editor, multimedia developer. Third one is the artist or graphic designer. Fourth one, web page designer. Fifth one is web programmer, and last one is the webmaster. So let's have first the writer or editor. Writer or a web page writer or editor creates and revises the text content that visitors read on a website. To achieve website's purpose, they must write specifically for the web environment and a targeted web audience. Texts that are simply cut from a print publication and pasted into an HTML document will not deliver effective message. To fill a web writer or editor position, an employer frequently looks for a highly creative applicant with a liberal arts background and demonstrated print and internet writing experience. Next one is the multimedia developer. As a multimedia developer, he or she designs and produces animation, digital video and audio, 2D and 3D models and other media elements to include in a website. This role demands knowledge and experience with sophisticated hardware and software, as well as art and graphic design principles. If the person assigned to this lacks developer skills, he or she can purchase multimedia elements such as animation and video clips on a CD-ROM or download them for free from certain websites. Next one is the artist or graphic designer. A web artist or designer creates original art such as logos or style type and frequently the overall design concept for a website, including the way it looks and feels. He or she may also prepare photographs and other graphic elements and redesign print publication for web environments. In the workforce, this highly creative role demands experience with high-end illustration and image editing software such as Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, as well as specialty hardware such as scanners and digital cameras. Next one is the web page designer. The primary role of a web page designer is to convert text into HTML documents. Responsibilities may also include graphic design and website setup and maintenance. To be a marketable web page designer, one must communicate effectively, know HTML thoroughly, and have graphic design talent. Aside from that, they should possess some programming skills beyond HTML. This role requires a solid understanding of how web pages and browsers interact. Next one is the web programmer. A web programmer must be highly skilled in advanced programming languages such as Practical Extraction and Report Language or Perl, Java, JavaScript, and Virtual Reality Modeling Language or VRML. These languages are used to create extremely interactive and dynamic web pages as well as handle form data. As corporate reliance on databases continues to expand, a web programmer today needs to know how to integrate databases successfully with the internet and intranets. The next one is the webmasters. Webmasters' responsibilities vary dramatically, depending primarily on the staffing and other resources devoted to developing a website. If working independently, the webmaster assumes all the roles in the organizational or business setting. The webmaster must oversee a web development team comprised of a writer or editor, artist or graphic designer, multimedia developer, web page designer, and a web programmer. A corporate webmaster therefore must have a broad range of skills and knowledge, including familiarity with the databases, HTML and other programming languages, content development, creative design, marketing and growth, and maintenance of the hardware connecting computers and users. So that's our topic for today about the web design and development. I hope that you have learned something from today's discussion. See you on our next discussion. Goodbye and God bless.